Hello guys, today we'll be making a live withdrawal from the Verge cloud mining platform. But before we dive deep into the details of this video, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn a job. So if you are interested in learning how to make free money online, you should go ahead and click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop videos like this, so that you can go ahead and watch and harness the juice out of it. So guys, today I will be making a live withdrawal from a video I shared here earlier from a platform, the Verge cloud mining platform. This is the video right here. About 3 days ago I made a video about this, so I'll also be dropping this video link down the description of this video, so you can go ahead and watch it and see how you can sign up for yourself. So today I'll be making a live withdrawal from the platform. So guys, we are right here on my Verge cloud mining dashboard. As you can see, this is my Binance wallet that I connect to it. If you watch the previous video, you see how I did that. So guys, now we'll be making a withdrawal from this platform. So we'll click withdraw. This is the withdraw button here. We click withdraw. Let's see, it's redirecting us. I guess we need to fill in this captcha. So guys, we are right here at the withdrawing platform. It's asking us how much do we want to withdraw, but let's read. It said the minimum withdrawal is 1.5 Verge, maximum 92,000 whatsoever. Fee, they will charge 0.3 for fee. So guys, let's put, I just have 2.0, so let's just put 2. So we are making a withdrawal of 2. Click withdraw and let's see. Withdraw successful. It should withdraw successful top there. Okay, we've been able to make the withdrawal. The withdrawal has been made, so we'll just wait to confirm on our Binance if the withdrawal came true. So the transaction history for the withdrawal. Okay, so it's generating. You can see right here, this is when I make this withdrawal this morning. So the hash is still generating, and this is it. So guys, when I receive this token, I will make a video and show you. So but that's how you basically make a withdrawal from this platform. I've not invested any money, I've not deposited any money, but I've been able to make withdrawal. So guys, if you haven't signed up, I'll drop the link to this cloud mining down the pinned comment of this video and also on the Telegram channel. Go ahead and check it out so that you can join and start mining for yourself. That will be all for today's video. Goodbye.